Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Sandy, and I am just playing around with a super fun little project. I am decorating up these paper clips and some fun Halloween goodness here. And so these are kind of my first ones that I made, so I thought I'd make a couple more with you all on camera and show you how to do it. So I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. I actually got them on clearance, which is crazy. And they measure, but I'm pretty sure they're still selling these. They're 4 inches tall. And I thought it would be fun to decorate these up for Halloween. So I brought out like a few little stickers and some cut aparts and some of my trims. And I thought I would do one on camera with you. So I measured this around to get a template, and you can make these as tall as you want. I'm making them pretty tall because I'm just going to have some trim up at the top, and then if you want to add charms, you can hang charms off the bottom of this. And so I'll show you how to put it on where you can still use it as a paper clip. So these that I did measure, they're about 2 3/8 width-wise, so 2 3/8, and then height-wise, they're about 3 1/8. Yeah, 3 1/8. So, but like I said, you can, do them bigger or smaller, whatever you're wanting to do. So, and then, so I measured that, and then I fold it to try to get kind of a fun image on the front. This one worked out pretty nicely, but I'll show you some other ones where, this piece is a little bit shorter and this piece is a little bit longer, just to get, what I want on the front. So I can't remember who I saw doing these, but there's lots of videos out, I think. Or I might have even seen it on Pinterest. I can't remember. But I really thought when I saw it, I wanted to try it. So I'm going to put some glue on the inside edge of this one and then the outside edge of this one. And then just fold them over. And then I have found, using my bone folder, I kind of stick that in there so I have something hard to press on to get these to glue to each other. Wipe up any extra glue. And then what you want to do is you want to kind of hold the short edge back a little and then slide this on over the longer edge. And just slide it on up there. It's good to wait for the glue to dry completely, but you get the idea. So now you can still, if you have a journal page, so like just pretend like this is the journal page, you can still put this on to a page like that. And if you can also put it on the side of the page, but when you have directional images like this, then you'll want to put it on the top of a page. And then to keep this from sliding back and forth, I just then take a little bit of glue and put a little bit of glue up into the edges up there. And then I slide that back down, and then I'll put a little bit of glue in here. This way it gets the paper to stick to the paper clip. And just push that down. Like that. We'll let that glue. Because you can see, like on this one I just did, I cannot slide it. It's glued to the item. Glued to the paper clip. And like when I slide that on, the paper doesn't move. So they're really quick and easy, and they're so cute. And you can do this with smaller paper clips. You're just going to have like a smaller little image. So I'm gonna do one more. I might try let's try this ghosty here. So I just double check here. So like this one's a little off center, but that's okay because I still get most of this ghost and that ghost. And then, actually, you know what? I cut this one a little too short. Well, you want to make sure you cut them long enough. So let's try this one here. Yeah, that one's long enough. Perfect. That might have been the remaining edge. I think that's what that was. I should have put that in a different pile. Okay, so we got these cute little ghosties here. And then I'll decorate these up with the trims and the other little decorations I have. So I hope y'all are having a good day. My back is feeling a whole lot better today. So I'm thankful for that. It's not 100%, but it's definitely better than what it was. Wipe up any extra glue here. And then we slide this onto our paper clip. Yeah, if you want them to go onto the side of your page, then you'll probably won't want to use any directional paper for sure. So like for this one, I have these cute little stickers here. I have had these for a long time in my stash, and I've just been hoarding them. So I thought I would use them, and I think I'm going to put the little cat sticker on the cat one. Just put a little sticker down there. And then I also have these little die cut bats. Grab a couple of those. And we can glue these onto the cat. We might just need one actually. Kind of floating right there. Or maybe we want him right here. Yeah, I think we'll put him up here. So this was the die cut I picked up at Recollections, or at Michael's. And it also cut out these cute little haunted houses. Aren't they adorable? I think they're so cute. All right, so I'm putting, what did I decide? I was going to put the bat up here. And I just curl, you can cut off the edges of the bat, but I'm just curling it around the side and just pressing it down. Yeah, I have a video coming with me making some things with these haunted houses. So you'll have to make sure to come back and watch that. And then I have these little Tim Holtz stickers. And so I stamped 31 on here for Halloween. And so I thought it would be fun to have these little stickers on here too. And then let me get some trims. And we'll put some trims on this one. Okay, so I have some purples and greens, and then I have some oranges and pinks and some rust color ones. So I'm just going to grab a few and put a little tassel on there. I really like these little Paperclips. I think they're so cute. And I've been hoarding this stuff for a long time too, these trims. So I'm glad I found something fun to make with them. So I'm going to cut them all about the same length here. You can make them however long you want. And, oh, we'll do a little black too. Does anybody know where to buy trims like this? I have bought some. These are from Paperclips, but I didn't know if you all knew of any other sources that had some good good trims like this. Do I want a little bit of that? I think I want that. Let's do another black. But tell me in the comments below what you've been up to. Let me know if I should do a live anytime soon. I haven't done one in a while. I don't know. I feel like everybody and their brother's doing a live and a video, and if I do a live, no one will come to mine. So that's part of the reason why I haven't done it. But I shouldn't let that stop me, should I? But it does. We'll do that one. Okay, that's probably enough, I think. Well, I'll trim it off later. And then I'm just tying like a single little tie. You know, I'm not doing a knot or anything. So really, you know, if you want to take these off and decorate something else with it, you definitely can do that. But yeah, I really want to know what you've been up to. Let me know. Get this even-ish. And then I will attempt to tie this. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of hard with all these trims. But I think I can do it. Maybe. Nope, I didn't do it. Oh well. We all struggle, don't we? That black one did not want to cooperate. Alright, let's try this one more time. If not, then we'll move on. But I think these are so cute. Let me know what you all think. Add a fun little interactive something to your journal. You can even use them as a bookmark in your in a book you're reading, or bookmark in your journal that you're writing in. Well, that doesn't want to stay, so. Oh my goodness, guys. I am really struggling. Alright, well, you get the idea. I'm trying to just tie this, and they all aren't wanting to be even. But you get the idea. Okay. Let me know if you have any tips on a better way to get this tied without all this trouble. Ooh, I think I got it. I think I got it. I think you go. Do you go there? Yeah, I think so. Ooh, almost. Ah, I almost got it. That black one still is being all slippery. Slippery, slippery. There we go. And look how cute that is. That was worth the hustle, wasn't it? Worth the hustle. Cute. Oh, my little 31 sticker fell off. So I'm going to add, I was wondering if I would need to add glue to this. And I got to make sure I have it the right way. It's so small I can't see it. Yep, I think that's right. I'm going to the eye doctor next week, so I'll keep y'all posted on my eyes. Look how cute these are. And then on this one, I have some of these kind of little pieces left over from this paper pad. So I thought it would be cute to put this little witch's hat on here. How cute is that? So I'm going to put that on this one. Maybe should I put a bat above it? And a bat below it? Yeah, maybe I'll do that. So I'll put this kind of in the middle. Yeah, I've been hoarding these little leftover pieces of this paper pad. It was, I think, Simple Stories from several years ago. And so it's like, all right, you're saving these scraps. You didn't just use them. So, that is what I am doing. So cute. But that's all there is to it, to make these, guys. They're pretty simple. And just pull out whatever stamps or stickers or die cut pieces you have and have some fun with them. Let me know down below if you've made these before. I've made, you know, other like hidden paper clips and things like that. So they're definitely fun to do. But look how cute they look. I love all the trims. So, alright guys, well I am just going to continue to make. I have all these different, I have some bats I'm going to do. I have these kitty cats I'm going to do. And these polka dots. So yeah, so I'm going to have fun tonight playing around with these. And I'll do like a short video and kind of show you what they look like when I'm done. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!